For decades, the standard recipe for a supercar was simple. Keep it light, pack it with cylinders, and stick to 2 seats. But BMW just tore up that entire rulebook, set it on fire, and introduced a machine that has left the entire automotive world completely speechless. What you are looking at is not just another fast sedan. It is a 1,300 horsepower, quad-motor electric titan designed to hunt down and utterly humiliate hypercars costing 10 times its price. The engineers in Munich have been quietly cooking up a secret weapon under the legendary M badge, and the numbers leaking out of Germany are genuinely terrifying. This is BMW's declaration of total war on the electric vehicle industry, a car so violently fast that it fundamentally shifts our understanding of what a daily driver can do. But behind the mind-boggling power and the high-tech wizardry lies a dark secret that BMW desperately wants to keep hidden. An engineering compromise so severe that it could completely ruin the car for its most loyal enthusiasts. We will break down exactly what that catastrophic flaw is at the very end of this video, and trust me, it changes everything. To understand why this launch has sent shockwaves through the industry, you have to realize that BMW didn't just tweak an existing platform. They built a rolling physics laboratory. Nestled within the chassis are 4 independent electric motors, one driving each individual wheel, governed by a central computing brain that processes traction data faster than the human nervous system. This setup allows for instantaneous torque vectoring, meaning the car can independently accelerate or brake any single wheel to force the vehicle through a corner with impossible agility. Imagine entering a sharp bend at speeds that should realistically send you flying into a ditch, only for the car's computer to artificially pivot you around the apex like a slot car. It defies everything we know about weight and momentum. On paper, it sounds like science fiction, but on the tarmac it translates to a 0 to 60 sprint that happens in less than 2 seconds flat. That places this heavy, luxurious Bimmer squarely in the crosshairs of million-dollar machines like the Rimac Navara and the Tesla Model S Plaid. The sheer engineering willpower required to extract this much performance from a road car is staggering, and if you appreciate this deep dive into cutting-edge horsepower, hit that subscribe button and drop a like on this video to join our community of true petrolheads. The real magic of this 1,300 horsepower monster is how it manages the immense thermal load. Generating that much electricity creates an absolute furnace of heat within the battery pack and the motors. BMW had to develop a liquid cooling system inspired by aerospace technology just to keep the cells from melting under full acceleration. This means you can launch the car repeatedly without entering a limp mode, a massive engineering victory over its rivals. But as incredible as the performance sounds, we have to look closely at the compromise BMW had to make to achieve these godlike figures. This brings us directly to the hidden flaw that could completely break this vehicle's legacy. To support 4 massive electric motors, an advanced cooling network, and a battery pack large enough to output 1,300 horsepower, this car has become an absolute tank. Rumors from the test track suggest it tips the scales at well over 5,500 pounds. That massive weight means that while it is a rocket ship in a straight line and uses computer wizardry to fake agility in the corners, the physical reality of that mass is inescapable. The tires are subjected to such extreme punishment that a single track day could completely shred a brand new set of rubber, costing thousands of dollars to replace. Even worse, the immense weight kills the steering feel entirely, turning what used to be the ultimate driving machine into a numb digital simulator. BMW shocked the world with raw power, but in doing so they might have sacrificed the very soul of the M badge.